right
necessary.
There. Yeah.
Even this corner is flat. Like I take this flat at 90.
Jeez. What's going on?
I think he's uncomfortable with your pressure.
Well, I don't know the road.
I know. Okay, this one's tight. I have to brake hard for this one. Another right hand after this, and then a left after this.
Okay.
Okay, we're coming up to the really wide hazard lines.
Okay, I'm not gonna cut this.
Yeah. You could put like one wheel over the yellows if you want, but
That's true.
is it just a pride thing? No, I'm just kidding.
It's more like
Safety. Like you want to learn the road, like single lane first, and then you don't want shortcuts.
It was kind of like I wanted to, because he's following behind. I was like, well, you're single laning.
Yeah, okay. Gotcha.
Wow, you can really, like, kind of just off throttle rotation a little bit.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like we're going through a stroll in the park, but at the same time, like, the corner is just like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, what's this?
This is pretty high speed.
Okay.
This is mostly a lift. That was a lift.
Oh, okay.
This is a lift as well.
Oh,
This is a slight brake.
okay. No, not much.
Okay, dude, it's so hard for me to. Yeah, okay, sorry. And then this is a hairpin chicane, sharp chicane. Yeah, just stay patient.
What's my exit speed there?
It should be around 55, and same here. Another chicane. Should be around, 50, 55.
Okay.
And these are sharp as well. It's a left, right. It's a gradual left. And also a gradual left here.
I only did that because I saw the reflections of no cars.
And high speed.
Okay.
And we're entering the sharp. Hard on the brakes. There's a bump there. No Subi. And yeah, it's a sharp left as well. And there's a sharp right. Can you jab the brakes for this one a little bit? Yeah, and then just turn. And then a chicane right here. Yeah.
Okay. Dude, that's so bad. Like, it's not bad. Like, it's not a horrible car, but, you know, it's not the Civic.
Yeah.